Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. How are you all doing today? Welcome to the weekend session of Daily Dossier Ask Abhishekraj. Let me quickly gear you up with all that you need to work with in today's session. And one thing very special I'm going to tell you about, because something is very important happening in the market that could be major decision making thing, and you need to be very precautious because we could be headed towards something major in the market. It could be both positive or negative, I'm not sure. So I'll discuss about that in the later slides, but it's going to be very important. That's the only thing I can tell you. And any which ways, I have been doing profit booking since Nifty made 11,800 levels. I'm already sitting on approximately 70% of cash value in my portfolios. So we have to be planned for what's coming in. It could be both positive and negative. So let's start the day and let's first discuss the data. In yesterday's session, both foreign and domestic institutions sold about 250 crores and 1067 crores respectively, so which is about over 1250 crores, close 1300 crores of selling data on equities fronts. On a future front, foreign institutions sold index futures worth 672 crores. On the other hand, they sold stock futures over 1050 crores. So it's a massive sell number that's coming in. However, the prices did not fall the way data looks like. So there's only one Q from the fund flow, that's 2581 crores of index options buying. It could be some sort of call unwindings, because of which markets did not fall much. Rest, it's perfectly fine. Fed did not do any kind of announcement related to next stimulus. However, it committed to keep the interest rates lower as long as needed. So markets are majorly eyeing on economic recovery now. See, the hopes of coronavirus going away, economy getting on track has played a lot in the markets. Now we are looking for real fundamental data, real fundamental changes to happen. So it's very important. Markets are now more interested into looking at how the recovery actually shapes in on real grounds. Rest, in India, Indo-China situation is as it is, with no major developments. Both the parties are preparing more aggressively on both the sides with more military deployment. One thing good, it's a very small thing that I have found. HDFCBANk and Flipkart are on hiring spree. We could be looking at some sort of real economic recovery. Rest, now let's take a look at Nifty. Nifty for the third consecutive day was able to defend its 20 days moving average. Immediate support is placed around 11,430 to 11,400 levels. Resistance is the same, 11,600. Volumes were subtle. With the market's fall, volumes did not rise much. Markets majorly were supported by IT and Pharma. Now, what's important I was talking about, that's the divergence in RSI indicator. It's even more aggressive. The divergence is even more deeper in Banknifty. So I'll discuss about that on the next slide. But on here, what I'm trying to say, Nifty has not made a new low since 31st of August, when it made a high of 11,800 and then it fell to levels of 11,100. Now we are trading above 11,450 levels. However, RSI has made a new low. Now it's very important to see whether prices retrace the indicator. If that happens, we're talking about 11,100 lows getting broken, or RSI could be indicating whatever recent lows have been formed, and now markets could be headed up for recovery. So it's very important to keep a close watch on data and see where the markets are headed. If it could be a recovery, then we are talking about getting the 11,800 broken on the upside. If markets fall, we could be talking about 11,000 levels even getting breached. Now let's take a look on Banknifty. On basic data front, today Banknifty closed below its 50 days moving average. Banknifty more or less looks consolidating between 22,000 and 22,500. It would be very important to see how RSI plays out from here onwards. MACD is negative. Now look at the four circles that I have made on the chart. If you look on the first left one, Banknifty was around 18,000 levels when RSI was close to 30, and now we are at 22,000 level. However, RSI has even breached those levels. Now in case markets retrace from here onwards, we are talking about some sudden spike, and we are talking about Bank Nifty even breaching 26,000 levels on the upside. In case prices start retracing, we could be headed towards 21,000 and even deeper. So in coming few sessions, this is what my suggestion would be to all the traders and investors. Do not take any aggressive bets. Keep yourself protected and hedged, and keep a very close watch on the price action and see how it plays out. Because I don't want you to miss either on the long side or the short side. Because one thing that I can assure, something is major going to happen. Right now, I cannot tell you what's that cooking up, but yes, something is going to come very soon. Now, this is how you should be planning your day in terms of other indices. This is how you need to play with the stocks. Number one, Nifty kind of positive unless and until we have it above 11,400 levels. However, it's cautious, so I would not say any trade. Bank Nifty consolidating, no trade. Metal index, avoid longs. It looks negative because the 20 days moving average has now a downward slope. However, it looks good for bottom fishing. Keep a price range, index level up 2310. In case that's broken, exit your longs. However, in case you see yesterday's lows not getting broken, you can do some bottom fishing. Nifty IT is positive, however extremely deviated, so I would not suggest to jump on the rally without protection. So take protection, that is, you could be writing some call option with long position, or you could be buying some put option depending upon what your margins allow you. Nifty Pharma is positive, find buying opportunities. Energy index is consolidating, it's positive above 15,800 because that's the support, and support is placed around 15,540, which is its 50 days moving average. So watch out for 15,800 levels. That's the immediate resistance. In case it goes above it, you can find some buying opportunities. Nifty Auto is positive, be stock specific as usual. Now, these are the stocks that you need to keep on radar. On your long radar, you should have Infosys, Maruti, Asian Paints, State Bank of India, HCL Technologies. Now, HCL Technologies extremely deviated. Trade with option hedge, don't trade naked. Mahindra and Mahindra, Titan. These are the stocks on your long radar. For the short radar, 3 stocks: Kotak Bank, Bharti Airtel, Larsen and Toubro, and Was. And yes, one more, Nestle India. So this is all that you need to go with in today's session. Keep light, being Friday. Don't go aggressive. That would be all from my end. Thank you so much for watching, listening. Kindly subscribe, share, and comment. Thank you so much. Abhishekraj signing off. Stay healthy, stay wealthy.